Andy, this is Tony. Do you copy?
Gotcha, Tony.
You're sweeping, all is good?
I'm sorry, say again?
You're sweeping and all is good?
Sorry, use the answer that so I don't teach myself.
Copy. Passing second cow crossing, another narrow one, guys. Road seems to be more roided out than it was last year, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. They were a lot smoother last year. That CJ5 would have been hurting right now.
The what?
The CJ5.
Oh yeah. He was a cool dude though. What was his name?
Jackie Gleason.
Huh?
Jackie Gleason is his name.
Jackie, yeah.
Yeah.
He was a cool dude, man.
I think this is where we stopped, no? Or that right there, that's the spot. This is where we stopped for lunch.
For lunch, huh?
Yeah.
This looks familiar.
Yeah.
No, I don't think this was much further up ahead.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there was
a
a turn to the left.
Yeah. Left.
Yeah. Left at the fork.
Left at the fork at El Campito. Left at the fork, El Campito.
Man, we should have mounted some GoPros on your Bronco.
Andy has one.
Oh, he does?
Using it or not, yeah. Tom has one too, and he's got a mount for his mirrors. Very
Oh, okay.
nice. Yeah, I think we already passed.
Big person left, El Campito.
Yeah, Tom has a GoPro that mounts on his mirrors. That's pretty nice too.
Yeah.
The mount's real nice. I don't think anyone's got one. Yeah, we already passed the place where we went to lunch. I remember this.
Might have been right away where
No, we didn't.
No?
This is where Andy busted a shock up here with these pine
Oh
trees.
yeah. Yeah, we stopped in the pine forest.
Yeah.
Oh, those negros. That's pretty easy.
Entering pine forest. Yeah, we stopped here. This is one of the times when Andy had a shock busted.
That's right.
Cow crossing in the pine forest. Passing a cow crossing in the pine forest.